Welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't taken the time to subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? I have so much information on this channel that I'm going to be sharing with you. Click the subscribe button and also the notification so you can get all of the information I'm sharing with you. So today we're talking about the child tax credit. And if you are filing a tax refund, then you need to watch this video until the end so you can see all the information that I have to share. So we're talking about the child tax credit. So the child tax credit allows parents and eligible caregivers to reduce their tax liability. And that reduction of the tax liability may result in a tax refund. So everyone can't claim the child tax credit, and the amounts are going to differ based on your situation. So the child tax credit is based on income, filing status, the number of children that you have, and whether the IRS considers your dependent a qualifying child. And we'll talk about that later in the video. So basically, the child tax credit is a key tax break that provides qualifying households with up to $2,000 per child under 17 years old. Eligibility depends on your income, child's age, and other factors. You may be able to claim this benefit even if you aren't required to file a tax return. So this child tax credit is going through some changes because we are changing administration. So as information comes in, I will definitely keep you updated with what is going on with the child tax credit and other credits and deductions that you may need to know when filing this season. So basically, the full child tax credit amount for 2024 is worth up to $2,000 per qualifying child under 17. So the credit is not a fully refundable credit, so you cannot receive the entire $2,000 back as a tax refund, even if you have a zero tax liability. So some people think that, you'll get the whole $2,000, and it depends on your income, your dependents, and other factors. So that's why you need to, have all that information, and that information will be factored in. So the tax break does have a refundable portion due to the inflation adjustment. So the refundable amount is higher for 2024 than it was last year. So that's good news. So for 2024 returns, which you're going to be filing this year in 2025, the refundable portion is going to be $1,700, when last year the refundable portion was only $1,600. So if you are eligible, you will get a refund, and this depends on several factors. So basically, you will want to reach out to your tax preparer to figure out your information and submit the information that you need to. At Randall Paralegal Services and Tax, we definitely will help you get the amount that you're supposed to get when you send us your information to complete your tax return. So the child tax credit, basically, like I said, they're going through some changes. So, if you're someone who likes to plan ahead, there is some things going on. So for 2026, the child tax credit is going to be $1,700. So if you're planning ahead and you want to know what's going to happen, so far that's the information, is that the child tax credit will also be $1,700 for 2025, which you'll be filing those taxes in the early part of 2026. So that means that it's not going to change between this year filing and next year. So let's talk about the qualifying, what are the qualifications for the child tax credit. because everyone has to have these qualifying factors, and it's not just what your income is. So basically the following must apply for your household to qualify. For the child, the age must be under 17 at the end of the year. The relationship must be your son, daughter, stepchild, eligible foster child, brother, sister, stepbrother, stepsister, half brother, half sister, or descendant of one of these, like a grandchild or something like that. So the financial support, the children cannot provide more than half of their financial support during the year. In order for you to qualify, you must provide more than half of their support. Residency, the children claimed under CTC must live with you for more than half of the year. The child must be claimed as a dependent on your tax return. So to get the credit, that child must also be a dependent of yours. The citizenship, the child must have been a U.S. citizen, a national or U.S. resident alien during the tax year. And income, the parents or guardians can't exceed certain income limits. The credit amount is reduced depending on income until it phases out completely. So as we mentioned, you can expect an amount on your refund, and this will depend on your modified adjusted gross income. So this is going to depend on your income. So this is the updated information. You can claim the child tax credit by having your information available and ready to be prepared on your taxes. Basically, you're just going to attach the information or give this information to your preparer, so your preparer will know what to do. Like I know I ask my clients certain information, and we'll see what they qualify for. It's automatic going to be certain questions that you'll be asked, or you should be asked by your tax preparer, to know what qualifications you are, what qualifications you have and what you qualify for, and what credit and deductions you are using in your refund. So basically, like I said, this is going through some changes because of the new administration. So I will keep you updated on all of this information. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications so you can see all the information that's coming up. I'm definitely going to keep you updated this tax season with all of the information that is going to help you get your taxes prepared the right way and understand what to expect when filing your taxes. So I will see you in the next video.